Today we're looking at a brushless angle grinder from DeWalt. This is an 18-volt tool. In the States, the code is DCG413, and in Europe it's DCG406. In my opinion, this is a really well-built angle grinder. If you look at the reviews on Amazon, there's thousands of 5-star ratings for this tool. Just a reminder, we do have a giveaway happening in November, so click the link in the description below for more details. This angle grinder takes 125mm discs, or 4.5 inches. One of the many safety features of this tool is that it has a brake. So if the tool jams at all, it will stop automatically. And when you let go of the trigger, the tool stops within about 2 seconds, which is a great safety feature. It has a slow start, which is also a great safety feature, so the tool doesn't twist in your hand as it's getting up to speed. The maximum speed of this grinder is 9,000 RPM. In my opinion, the paddle switch is a great safety feature. It's so easy just to let it go, the grinder stops within 2 seconds, as opposed to looking for a switch on the side. The handle on the tool can be inserted on the right or the left hand side, and the handle has some great rubber overmolding which reduces vibration. Something the rigid tool comes with is an extra point to screw in the handle, which this DeWalt tool doesn't have. The blade guard adjustment is one of the better ones that I've used. Very easy to use. You just simply depress the lever on the side and you turn the blade guard to whatever angle you want. It doesn't come with a fully enclosed blade guard that some other angle grinders do, but I believe you can buy an upgraded guard online if you get the right part number. I'll leave a link in the description below. To change the blade, it's really easy. You just depress the button to lock it in place and then just unscrew the nut with your fingers. Screw it on again until it's tight. If it's too tight, you can use the Allen key to loosen the nut. But generally you can do it with your fingers. Let's see this tool in action. Overall, the tool is really easy to use, it's well balanced, and it's got some great safety features. I give it a 5-star rating. It's brushless, so it's got a really powerful motor, and I can't recommend this more highly. You can see from these close-ups that the build quality is really good. Thanks for watching. God bless.